wow! Look! It's a horse! Can you say horse? Great job! Horse. This is a brown horse. What does a horse say? Neigh. Neigh. Oh, wow! I see 2 horses. Let's count together. 1, 2. 2 horses. I see a white horse and a brown horse. The horse on the farm says neigh, 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 neigh all day long. H is for horse. H, ha, ha, horse. These horses are running. Can you run like a horse? Gallop, gallop, gallop. This baby horse is with her mama. Say, hi, mama horse. Hi, mama horse. Now let's wave bye-bye to the horses. Bye-bye, horses. Bye-bye. Oh, wow, look, it's a duck. You said duck. Great job. Duck. This is a yellow duck. What does a duck say? Yeah, quack, quack, quack. The duck on the farm says quack, 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 quack. The duck on the farm says quack, quack, quack all day long. D is for duck. D, duck. Look, these ducks are swimming in the pond. Can you flap your wings like a duck? Flap, flap, flap. This baby duck is following her mama duck. Say hi, mama duck. Hi. Now let's wave bye-bye to the ducks. Bye-bye, ducks. Bye-bye. Oh, look, it's a pig. You said pig. Great job. Hello, pig. Can you wave to the pig? Hi, pig. These pigs are eating. Pretend to eat like a piggy. Munch, munch, munch. Yummy. Mmm, so yummy. What does a pig say? Yeah! Oink, oink, oink. Oink, 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 oink. The pig on the farm says oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. Oink, oink, oink. The pig on the farm says oink, oink, oink. All day long. P is for pig. P, pig. This pig is in the green grass. And look, that little pig is snuggling with Mama Pig. Aw, so cute. Now let's whisper. Good night, pigs. Shh, they're sleeping. Oh, wow, it's a cow. You said cow. Great job. Cow. This is a black and white cow. What does a cow say? Yeah, moo. Moo, moon, moo. Oh, wow, I see 3 cows. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. 3 cows. The cow on the farm says moo, 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 moo. The cow on the farm says moo, 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 all day long. C is for cow. C, cow. This cow is eating grass. Can you pretend to eat grass like a cow? Munch, 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 yummy green grass. This cow is with his mama. Mama. Now, let's wave bye-bye to the cows. Bye-bye, cows. Bye-bye. Oh, look! What is it? It's a sheep. That's right! Sheep. Great job. This sheep is white and fluffy. Can you say fluffy? Fluffy. What does a sheep say? Yeah! Ba, 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 ba. The sheep on the farm says ba, 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 ba. The sheep on the farm says ba, 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 all day long. S is for sheep. S, sheep. These sheep are playing in the field. Can you jump like a sheep? Boing, boing. Look, there's a baby lamb with her mama. Say, hi, baby lamb. Hi. Now let's say bye-bye to the sheep. Bye-bye, sheep. Bye-bye. Oh, look! It's a chicken! Did you say chicken? Well done! Chicken! This is a red chicken. What does a chicken say? Yeah! Cluck, cluck! Cluck, cluck, cluck! The chicken on the farm says cluck, cluck, cluck. The chicken on the farm says cluck, cluck, cluck. All day long. C is for chicken. Chicken. Oh, wow! I see baby chicks. They're so tiny and cute. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 chicks. Oh, so cute. They're following their mama hen. Say hi, mama hen. Hi, Mama Hen. And now, let's say hi to the little chicks. Hi, little chicks. These chickens are pecking the ground. Can you peck too? Peck, peck, peck. Now let's wave bye-bye to the chickens. Bye-bye, chickens. Bye-bye, baby chicks. See you next time. Bye-bye.